Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2006 Chevy Malibu. Let's start right away up front. On the front end, you do have nice chrome accents in the grille. The blue Chevy logo definitely stands out. I'll look down the passenger side, and then we're going to take a look inside. You have cloth interior. You have a sunroof up top. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, you have cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Malibu on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.